In today's video, I'm going to teach you the top Miro templates professionals use to turn complex work into clear, actionable plans. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Miro offers a massive library, but a handful of frameworks show up again and again because they bring structure, alignment, and momentum. We'll walk through the essentials for agile workflows, strategy and decision-making, and research and design, so you can pick the right board for the job and get value fast. For agile work and project management, start with the Kanban framework. Lay out columns like to do, in progress, and done to visualize flow at a glance. As you move cards across the board, you'll spot bottlenecks early, keep priorities visible for cross-functional teammates, and reduce context switching. Keep the columns simple, name tasks clearly, and limit work in progress to protect focus. When it's time to reflect, the sailboat retrospective makes continuous improvement engaging. Place your goal as the destination, list the wins that push you forward, and the anchors that slow you down. This format leads to honest discussion without blame, and it naturally turns insights into a small set of next steps you can track on your Kanban. Use a product roadmap to connect vision to delivery. Organize upcoming initiatives by time horizon, communicate key milestones, and link features back to the strategy behind them. Stakeholders in engineering, marketing, and sales can see the plan in one place, which reduces status meetings and surprises. To clarify ownership, the RACI matrix defines who is responsible, who is accountable, who is consulted, and who is informed for each task. Aim for a single accountable person per item to drive decisions, and share the matrix widely so expectations are clear. For strategy, the business model canvas helps you sketch ideas quickly across 9 building blocks, keeping the value proposition front and center. Pair it with a SWOT analysis to separate internal strengths and weaknesses from external opportunities and threats. Then turn findings into priorities with an impact-effort matrix. The 2x2 view highlights quick wins and major bets, making trade-offs explicit. When ideas are still forming, a mind map lets you branch from a central concept, connect related themes, and reveal the big picture. Finally, for research and design, map the end-to-end experience with a customer journey map to surface pain points and moments that matter. Then ground solutions with a user persona that captures who you're building for, their behaviors, goals, and frustrations. Pick one template to start. Adapt it to your team's language, and revisit regularly. Consistency beats complexity, and these boards will keep your work clear, aligned, and moving. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.